Now, what are the examples of nature-based solutions? Again, these are not something new.
We just concluded this 3 days learning journey on nature-based solutions, where we delved into the definition of what nature-based solutions is, and looked at practical examples of such solutions in the region. Primarily, we work in the field of livelihoods development and market systems development, and the environment extremely important in order to ensure sustainable livelihoods development.
AFCIA really trying to think in a very integrated, holistic manner, to focus also on this learning exchange, on mutual learning, on adaptive management. I think all these elements are kind of reflected within the topic of this learning journey on nature-based solutions in market system development.
My key insight was to see that we need to think, for example, nature-based solutions and market system development together, because they both reinforce each other and both can learn from each other to really make the situation for the people on the ground better.
So through this learning journey is, to me, is a new topic, yet a global concern. I think the nature-based solutions is such a great way to help sustainable solutions to our society, also human well-being, and also to help restore the nature and modify the ecosystem services. And more importantly is to help people to adapt to climate change resilience, also environmental vulnerability.
These are very important to focus on the sustainability and the social well-being, and also a great example of the nature-based solution project that have been implemented in Cambodia and also in other countries as well, and also the mainstreaming of nature-based solution in the market system development.
I would like to thank to the UNDP AFCIA that provide funding support for this important training. Also thank you to the Hague team for organizing this a great training. Thank you.